Let's see how the gold has retraced, bouncing from the yesterday's support level, 3314.79. If you have watched yesterday's analysis, I have mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will bounce from this area of support at least slightly to around this area 3323 resistance level, and we can see yesterday the price has created a strong bullish candle where the price has come very close to this area of resistance 3355.61 on the daily time frame, but not completely. And we can see currently the price is forming some kind of small bearish candle right here from this area of supply zone. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame to see how the price has behaved yesterday. Yesterday I also have mentioned that the 4-hour time frame is showing a potential retrace because of the small bullish pin bar. The price has retraced from here, from this area of support, and come to here to the 4-hour time frame resistance level 3325.28. After that the price has formed a strong bullish candle yesterday, where the price has reached this area of resistance and formed a slightly small bullish breakout to the upside, and currently we can see the price has formed a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that yesterday, after I have made analysis, I mentioned that this area where the price was at the support level has formed a bullish pin bar, which is suggesting further rise in value at least to this area here to the first resistance level around 3320.96 and especially around to 3323.00. We can see that the price has done just that, and yesterday after the analysis I have shared inside the premium analysis this trade with the entry level and also the take profit level here. We can see that it was a profitable trade yesterday. After that, we can see the price has reached just the level 3323, which I have mentioned that the price will retrace, and we can see the price has reached this area of resistance 3325.28, and it has retraced back down slightly to the first support level. From here the price has formed several bullish candles where the price has took all the way to here where the price is currently is from this area 3350.39, the smaller resistance level very close to the daily time frame at 3355.61 resistance level. Now here we can see the price has reached this area of resistance, then slightly moved down, and we can see the price has formed this bearish breakout. This bearish breakout candle below this area of support, where these two candles did not go above, closing above this area of currently acting as a supply zone, which has confirmed this bearish breakout is valid one. And we can see from this area of resistance currently the price is going down, and this trade I have shared inside the premium analysis. You can see that where the take profit level is right here, and the price will come very close to it. If you would like to receive these updates, which I have just mentioned inside the premium analysis, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. Not only the gold, you will also receive these all other symbols that you can see here when there is bullish or bearish breakout formed on the chart, or for example not only the breakouts, if there is a pin bar, or if there is, for example, here on the 4-hour time frame we have a bearish engulfing candle engulfing these two candles before that. So there are several signals that I'm watching on the chart and then sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis. Feel free to check and join other traders to receive these updates. Now, regarding this one, how the price has behaved, what we can expect. Well, currently the price did not reach the resistance level right here, 3355.61, but it has come very close to here, 3352. Now the price is going back down, so how far and how far along, it depends on the small time frames. Currently, the 4-hour time frame is showing me a bearish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price could drop down, and that drop could be around this area, around 3337, and down to around this one here, which is 3335. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame, which is a bearish engulfing candle, currently suggesting further decline in value. How far? Now we have 1-hour time frame, which is currently showing me that 3339.02 is the next support level. Below that, if the price goes, it is going to stop around here, which is around 3335. I can see that I need to put this one here as a new support and resistance level on the 1-hour time frame. And you can see how the price is behaving currently. Let me move this slightly up because this also needs to be modified. Okay, let me see, is it okay? I'm going to fix this one later on, but this is the idea. So 3336 is the next support level. And you can see this trade I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis has been currently reached at the take profit level 1, which is very good, and it is successful, we can say that. After that, we can see that the price is trying to move to here 3236, which is on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the area where I'm expecting the price will reach today. After that, we'll see, will the price manage to go below this area of support, or it will retrace continuous rise in value reaching 3355.61 is something that I need to watch on the 1-hour time frame, because the 1-hour time frame is showing me intraday moves where the price could go. Now after that we'll see, will the price manage to go to the daily time frame going above this area of resistance, or it will go further down where the next level will be 3314.79 a support level. Now it is important to see how the price behaves on the lower time frames, because these lower time frames has very clear information what are the very important support levels and resistance are. Now if the price goes to 3336, we can see that 3332.99 is very important support level on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that here the price had several attempts to go below that, now unsuccessfully, and then finally made that bearish breakout. Will that be support level broken easily this time? We need to watch and wait to see how the price behaves around this area of support. Now for the resistance, we can see that very important resistance will be the daily 3355.61, and we need to wait until this happens, until the price reaches this area of resistance, and then wait for a breakout. So we are not chasing the market, we are following the market. So stay calm, stay out, and wait for a clear signal like I am currently waiting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. That's all for today. Do not forget to join the Premium Traders Analysis. The link will be below in the description. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.